In our last session, we studied about patent specifications and Form 2. In this video, we'll be looking at contents of specification. We've already studied that patent specifications are the heart and soul of a patent application. Without specification, a patent cannot be granted. While drafting specification, a patent drafter has to take care of few of the things. The first one being that the specification should fully describe the invention. There should not be any hidden step while dealing with the invention. Secondly, the best method of performing the invention should be described. Every specification should end with claims defining the scope of the invention. Anything out of the scope of the claims will not be granted protection. The fourth one being the application should end with an abstract. This abstract has to be submitted on a separate sheet of paper. Now, for easy understanding, we will divide Form 2 into 6 parts. The first one being the applicant details. Every Form 2 starts with the title of invention and then is followed by the applicant details. The second part being the preamble to the description. Preamble can be understood as the introduction to the invention and the best manner in which the application is carried out. For example, if the specifications describe a novel technology of charging mobile devices, then the preamble would be written as the following specification particularly describes the novel technology of charging mobile devices. Following the preamble to the description is the description of this invention. Description is detailed description of the application and it should be explained with the accompanying drawing. Following this are the claims to the invention. Anything out of the scope of the claims will not be granted protection. Even though that specific subject which is outside the scope of the claims has been described in the description, but then also the patent office will only grant protection to the subject which has been described in the claims of the invention. Following the claims are the date and signature of the applicant, following which is the abstract to the invention. And this abstract is a detailed summary of the invention and has to be given on a separate sheet of paper. Now we'll have a look at a draft patent application which has been filed with Indian Patent Office. This is the Form 2 of that patent application and contains the complete specification. Here you can see the application starts with the title of the invention, that is blockchain technology enabled smart electricity billing system. Following this, there are applicant details. And this is preamble to the application. Here it writes, the following specification invention particularly describes the manner in which the invention is to be performed. Now here comes the description to the invention. That is the field of invention and background of the invention. Prior art statements are also part of the description of the invention and describes the earlier filed applications which discloses an embodiment of the present application. Now comes the summary part of the invention, in which a small summary is provided to the patent office to look at the invention. And then the most important part of the invention is the claims part. Anything outside these claims will not be granted any protection. And here is the abstract of the invention, which is provided at a separate page. In our next video, we'll be looking at greater details about priority dates. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel. And if you have any questions, you can always drop comments in the comment section below. Thank you.